Hi everyone, in this video you're going to learn how to do a diamond pattern with an open center. You can do this pattern with any number of cords. The first step is to take the two most center cords and cross them. Put the cords on the right out of the way. Using this center cord as your lead cord, you're going to tie double half hitch knots with all of the remaining cords. Now that you've finished double half hitch knots on the left, you're going to go to the right side using this centermost cord as your lead cord. You've now finished the top half of your diamond. Now you're going to complete the bottom half and you're going to picture the cord split in two equal groups. You're going to take your outermost cord as your lead cord, but instead of doing your double half hitch knots with the next closest cord, you're going to do the furthest away cord on that side, so the centermost cord on the left, and then you're going to continue in that direction to the outside. Continue in the same way on the other side, using the outermost cord as your lead cord and starting with the furthest away cord to the lead cord. Finish off your diamond with double half hitch knots with the center cords. And here you can see that we've created a diamond with an open center.